Welcome to Ceiling Tiles UK Main Runner Installation Guide for Suspended Ceilings. Once all the wires are in place, you can begin installing your main runners. Measure and mark out the position of each main runner along the perimeter trim. Begin with your first main runner, which is the one closest to the perimeter. The clip on the end of the main runner will have to be cut off so that it will rest flush to the wall and on the perimeter trim. Don't forget to use the appropriate health and safety equipment for your site, as specified in our planning video. When cutting main runners, for example, gloves and protective glasses are particularly important. Starting from the wall edge, work outwardly, hooking the main runner onto the fixing wires and curling the wire back on itself for a secure fixing. Install the main runners so that they are all level with the perimeter trim already mounted. If the room you're installing is shorter than 3.6 metres, cut the main runner to size. If your room is longer than 3.6 metres, the main runners can be joined. Ensure that the slot for the first cross tee is in line with the location of the cross tee as per your drawing. Once the first main runner is complete, use any offcuts to start the second row. This will stagger the expansion points, creating a stronger ceiling. But remember to ensure there are slots for cross tees in the correct positions. Once all main runners are installed, you can fit the 1200 cross tees. For further instructions, please watch our full suspended ceiling installation guide video. All parts featured in this video are available for purchase at ceilingtilesuk.co.uk. Thanks for watching.